you've got to try and make sure you then focus your attention on those trades and focus on different time frames, focus on the order flow, see what's happening on the order flow in those trades, see if you start recognizing some characteristics about those trades and start benchmarking those trades. Which ones turned out to be the good swings? Which ones did you have to get aggressive and get your stops to break even quickly for? Which ones did you have a feeling of comfort about? Which ones were you not so sure about? What was it that was causing that uncertainty? And how did it turn out? Did it turn out that the ones that were uncertain were better or worse? And start really focusing your attention on that trade. Too many people, they just skirt around the trades. They never get into the real tradable detail of the trade themselves, because they're, oh, Ray's doing a class on bonds, I'm just going to jump over to bonds now. You know, that's what happens. People, there's always another shiny object somewhere else, and yeah, everybody becomes a magpie. Everybody becomes a magpie. They jump across to the other shiny trade, and they say, ah, well, and that's it. They suddenly forget that that trade was doing very, very well. Well, focus on that trade. There's always the recordings to come back to, guys. Focus on that trade and get it nailed, right? Nail it. And that's when you start recognizing the opportunity. That's when you start recognizing just how good the trade is. Max has had two minor buys back into the same bottom edge, but has not came back in for a buy on the retest at the moment. You can see Max came in for, remember the big Max trade at the bottom edge? It didn't go very far, but it went far enough. 13s to a high price of 40s, still 27 points, still $540. Max came back in and with a big surge buy. Max came back in and with another big surge buy. This time we went from a price of 15s to a high price of 55s for 40 points. That's another $800. And you can see Max has stopped buying. Max has stopped buying altogether, or for whatever reason. Max is no longer bidding the lows. Interesting. What is he up to? I don't know. Okay, so let's catch up with gold. You remember we had this discussion about where the bottom edge on gold was, and we had this idea of a fair value area. You may have liked the idea of maybe starting to bid into the low prices. You may have fancied that bottom edge developing. You started to eventually see real yields working for you rather than against you into this bottom edge, so that's a nice bonus. You had a nice opportunity to bid into the retest here if you liked it, and that was a nice opportunity to go there. I don't really like the sells. The short term did give you a divergence on the level 2 here. If you liked it, that would have been the only one you liked. The only one you liked. And then into the bottom edge, a little bit of macro divergence. Chuck in a little bit of micro divergence, and you had another opportunity to scalp into that as a buy trade. It's beautiful, isn't it? Now, what's the problem? Well, the problem is quite simple. We've ran out of value. So in other words, anytime we go above here, it's now in a world of premium. Yeah, so anytime we go above here, it's now in a world of premium, which means that this is a guaranteed premium price at the moment. It doesn't mean it's going to be a guaranteed premium price if price gets there, but at the moment, that's a guaranteed premium. So that would suggest that if we can get into that price area, we would definitely be selling 72s. So put an offer in for 72s. It reminds you, focuses your attention that 72 at the moment is a sell trade area. So that's something that we start paying attention to, right? It brings our focus to that price. It's not just a line on the charts, it's an offer. Yes, it's an offer. The dollar says exactly the same at this stage. Very strong bullish bottom edge. Dollar says exactly the same trade. Copper gold. Didn't agree with the buy trade here. Did agree with the short-term buy trade in here for sure. And again, currently still bullish and looking as if we still have a possibility of making 72s, but it's a slim possibility at this stage. Great trade. Lovely, well done gold buyers if you were involved. We did tell you about it a while ago. We showed you the area, we showed you what we'd expect, and if you decided to take it, you've just seen 66s trading 71s for $500. So congratulations, guys. We did tell you about it. It's up to you if you took it. Max still not buying this bottom edge of the queues. Not interested at the moment, guys. Max not interested at the bottom edge of the queues just now.